Husqvarna 2024 Enduro bike set a new standard for riding off-road. Expertly crafted with new frame, subframe, bodywork, suspension, and brakes, the extended list of shared innovations across the new Enduro platform was introduced to further improve overall rideability. With every model continuing to deliver outstanding performance, riders will benefit from the technical changes made to all 7 class leading machines. The hydroformed, laser-cut and robot-welded frame is expertly crafted. Constructed with specifically calculated flex, the frame provides exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and straight-line stability. Also, the wall thickness of the frame has been optimized to achieve improved reliability and specific rigidity in high-stress areas, such as the steering head and the shock mounts. Parallel frame mounts improve chassis flex characteristics, while stability characteristics remain unrivaled. Another highlight of the new frame topology is that the footrest mounting positions have been moved inwards, resulting in less susceptibility to catching in deep ruts or when scrubbing jumps. The overall size of the all-new footrests has been increased, designed with the help of state-of-the-art computational fluid dynamics. The 2-stroke model continues to have an oil tank integrated into the frame and was optimized and adapted to the new frame concept. Using 60% polyamide and 40% aluminum, the 2-component subframe has a total weight of just 1.8 kilograms. With the help of computational dynamics, specific rigidity was engineered into the light subframe, delivering outstanding handling and rider comfort. The lower subframe spars and frame mounts are made from extruded aluminum profiles to guarantee robustness and reliability where needed. The upper subframe is a perfect combination of injection molded polyamide and 3D formed aluminum, enabling specific flex characteristics and allowing a reliable construction. A new WP closed cartridge spring fork is used on the Husqvarna Enduro range for 2024. Fast and consistent damping characteristics are guaranteed thanks to a new closed cartridge spring design, which optimizes the oil flow within the cartridge and has been adapted from the market-leading WP Pro component technology. This setup avoids unwanted foaming of oil, which would lead to a less consistent damping behavior. Additionally, a spring-preloaded base valve provides precise high-speed compression damping that can be further customized with a preload adjuster available as technical accessory through WP. A hydro stop in the last 68 mm of the stroke helps to keep a maximum of reserves in extreme riding situations such as large jumps and flat landings. The fork protection rings have been updated as well. A fully hand-adjustable dual compression control concept allows high and low speed settings to be changed by hand. Together with the newly designed rebound adjuster, which is hand or tool adjustable, riders are now able to adjust their shock settings without tools and without the help of a mechanic at the racetrack. On top of the tool-free setting adjustment possibilities, a new preload adjuster is introduced, bringing increased resistance to dirt intrusion, and a new 2-piece spring retainer allows for quick mounting without splitting the shock. The WP rear shock reliably provides advanced damping characteristics for unsurpassed traction and energy absorption. The new WP shock also means new settings for the full Enduro range. Each model has been tested carefully by test riders and individual settings were created where needed. The 4-stroke range features a 42 mm K throttle body, while the 2-stroke range features a newly developed 39 mm K throttle body. The injectors are positioned to ensure the most efficient flow into the combustion chamber, and to ensure optimal throttle response, the throttle cable is mounted directly without a linkage, providing more immediate throttle response and feel. The new 39 mm K throttle body features dual injectors positioned for optimal flow and more immediate throttle response thanks to direct cable mounting. Idle is controlled over the throttle valve. A new and more robust TPS sensor provides the same cold start mechanism as on the 4-stroke models. The throttle valve pivots on ball bearings instead of plain bearings. This provides less than half the friction torque compared to the former throttle body and allows a much easier throttle operation. This provides much better idle control, more stable idle behavior, and much better fuel-air mixture preparation. The results are more power, more response, and a larger possible fuel-air mixture operation window in comparison to TPI. It is less prone to engine cutouts or hesitations and less sensitive to different ambient conditions like temperature, altitude, humidity. The radiators are expertly crafted using high-strength aluminum. The cooling system is integrated into the frame, allowing for improved cooling by channeling coolant through the frame while eliminating the need for additional hoses. Additionally, the radiators are mounted close to the center of gravity for improved handling agility. 4-stroke models are equipped with a standard radiator fan for increased cooling effect. The Enduro range features bodywork that clearly showcases Husqvarna Motorcycles' progressive approach to off-road motorcycles, and striking white and blue graphics stylishly adorn the Swedish-inspired design. An improved rider triangle for better knee contact, especially when riding in the standing position, inspires confidence for riders of every ability and enables them to perform at the highest level for extended periods of time. The slim contact surfaces on the bodywork allow the rider to move the bike around more easily and improve the overall handling and agility of the bike. The flat seat profile, combined with a new high grip seat cover, delivers superior comfort and control in all conditions. The two-stroke engine was introduced with a new TBI system for 2024 throttle body injection. The engine delivers improved torque while retaining its two-stroke character, designed to be more compact to reduce overall weight and overall savings of over 1 kilogram, compared to the previous TPI engine. With the TBI system, the new 72mm bore cylinder new features an electronic exhaust control system, which manages operating the exhaust ports for maximum power delivery. The highest level of brake performance is guaranteed with an all-new generation of the Bractec braking system. Redesigned brake calipers, front master cylinder, and brake lever provide exceptional quality while being specifically tailored for enduro riding and delivering a sensitive and action and feel. New front and rear brake calipers provide increased torsional stiffness for a more precise brake feel. The calipers are matched to a 260mm brake disc in the front and a 220mm rear brake disc by GSK and are supplemented with a new brake pad compound that provides increased braking power and simultaneously better brake control. Mounting the rear wheel is also made easier with a redesigned rear brake caliper bracket for improved clearance when fitting the rear wheel. Designed for easy and intuitive operation, the new map select switch comes as standard. It activates traction control, selects between two engine maps, and activates the quick shifter on 4-stroke models. Map 1 is the standard map for linear, predictable power, while Map 2 is an aggressive map for added throttle response and more explosive power output. The new quickshift function can be activated or deactivated via the map select switch. The function works only when upshifting, interrupting the ignition for a fraction of a second. This allows upshifting while the throttle is fully opened without the use of the clutch lever. To prevent unintended shifts and false neutrals, the function is only active from 2nd to 6th gear. Traction control on 4-stroke models is engaged by a switch marked TC and functions by analyzing throttle input from the rider and the rate at which engine RPM increases. If the RPM increases too quickly, the engine management system registers a loss of grip and reduces the amount of power to the rear wheel, ensuring maximum traction. This is a distinct advantage in wet or muddy conditions. The map select switch on the 2-stroke models features a simpler design, allowing the selection between two engine maps. The quickshifter and traction control are not available for 2-stroke models. Map 1 is the standard, more mellow map for linear, predictable power, while Map 2 is the aggressive map for added throttle response and a more crisp, explosive power output. The all-new OCU replaces electronic fuses and relays and can be found under the seat. All outputs are switched depending on signals from the voltage regulator and the ECU. In the event of overcurrent, outputs are deactivated individually. This allows a simple error detection as the status of each output is indicated by a LED light. The OCU checks the electronic system completely self-reliant. Once an indicated mechanical error is fixed, the OCU light status will change from red to green, indicating that everything is alright again. Additionally, with the improved and more compact electrical packaging, it was possible to better integrate the voltage regulator on the vehicle, allowing for an increased steering angle while keeping the regulator clean and secured.